Hari Om. Linguistics of Subantaha. The fact that the formula Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya makes a Subantaha is linguistic smartness, because by that the Subantaha have a wide ambit of subject phrases and object phrases, including nouns, pronouns, adjectives, also adverbs. In the previous post, there was mention of 15 Subantaha. Ashvaha, Vegena, Dhritarashtraha, Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre, Samavetaha, Yuyutsavaha, Mamakaha, Pandavaha, Cha, Eva, Kim, Sanjaya. It was also mentioned that Ashvaha, Dhritarashtraha, Samavetaha, Yuyutsavaha, Mamakaha, Pandavaha are subject words. As per Sanskrit grammar, they have Prathama, first vibhakti, case. Vegena, Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre are adverbial. As per Sanskrit grammar, Vegena has Trutiya, third vibhakti, case. Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre have Saptami, seventh vibhakti, case. Cha, eva are indeclinable. Kim is an object word. As per Sanskrit grammar, it has Dvitiya, second vibhakti, case. Sanjaya is an address case. As per Sanskrit grammar, it has Sambodhana vibhakti. From the above, one would have noted that excepting the indeclinables, every other Subantaha has a vibhakti, case. The cases vibhaktaya range from Prathama, first, to Saptami, seventh. And there is also address case, Sambodhana vibhakti. Any fresh learner would be eager to know the meanings of words being read. The most common source for that is a dictionary. A word of caution, however, that you cannot find every Subantaha in the dictionary. This is so even with the English pronouns. Him is the second case, Dvitiya vibhakti, of he. His is sixth case, Shashti vibhakti, of he. The words him, his are not in the dictionary. In English, pronouns have three cases, vibhaktaya. Prathama, the first case for subject words, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Second, dvitiya, for object words, to me, to us, to you, to him, to her, to it, to them. These words may be without to also. Sixth, Shashti, the genitive case, my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, their, theirs. Important point to note is that a supratyaya substantially serves the function of prepositions such as to, of, by, with. Here is a study of supratyaya of which vibhakti serve the function of which preposition. Supratyaya of prathama vibhakti, the nominative case, make subject words which may have only the articles a and the as prepositions. Supratyaya of dvitiya vibhakti, the accusative case, make object words which may have the preposition to. In give it to me, the object word it has no preposition. The object phrase to me has a preposition to. Supratyaya of the tritiya vibhakti, the instrumental case, makes subantaha inclusive of the preposition with, by. The word vegena, meaning with speed, that is fast, is from pratipadikam vega, speed. Supratyaya of chaturthi vibhakti, the dative case, make subantaha inclusive of the pronouns for, unto. For example, bowings respects unto Ganesha. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Sri Ganeshaya is Chaturthi Vibhakti of the Pratipadikam Sri Ganesha. Supratyaya of Panchami Vibhakti, the ablative case, makes Subanta inclusive of the prepositions from, outside of, due to, following, than. A good example is in Sangat Sanjayate Kama Kamat Krodho Vijayate, Gita 2-62. From attachment arises desire, Sanka. From desire arises anger, Kama. Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammoha smriti vibhramaha. From anger, Krodhat, comes delusion. From delusion, sammohat, loss of memory. Smriti भ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. From loss of memory, smriti भ्रंशात्, the destruction of discrimination. From the destruction of discrimination, buddhinashat, pranashyati, he perishes. Supratyaya or Shashti Vibhakti, the genitive case, make Subantaha inclusive of the proposition of. See, Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityur dhruvam janma mritasya cha, Gita 2-27. Death of anyone born is certain, and of the dead, rebirth is certain. Jatasya, anyone born. Mritasya, of the dead. Supratyaya of Saptami Vibhakti, the locative case, makes Subantaha inclusive of the prepositions in, at, on, upon. Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre, in the Kurukshetra, the field of righteousness. So actually in the Kurukshetra, in the field of righteousness. Dharmakshetre in Kurukshetra. Dharmakshetre in the field of righteousness. Kurukshetre in the Kurukshetra. Supratyaya of Sambodhana Vibhakti. The address case are for callouts. Hey, 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 bho, ho, re. Sambodhana Vibhakti. Knowing Subantaha is knowing formatting of a Pratipadikam in all 7 cases, Vibhaktaya, and also in Sambodhana Vibhakti. Every other noun, pronoun, adjective has a root word, the Pratipadikam. Because Subantaha are inclusive of respective prepositions, English translation of a Subantaha is by a phrase, not by a single word. For example, Jatasya, of anyone born. As a linguistic concept, a Subantaha has compactness, brevity inbuilt. The formatting also lends so much completeness to the Subantaha that the Subantaha gets freedom of movement to be here or there in the sentence. Freedom from syntax. See, in Jatasya hi dhruva mrityuhu, the word Jatasya is before mrityu. Whereas in dhruvam janma mritasya cha, the word mritasya is after janma. It is good to bear in mind that every Sanskrit sentence is like a stage play. Sentence is the stage, words are the actors. When an actor, say a king or even a beggar, has the proper makeup, he can move anywhere across the stage. So, Supratyaya make the makeup of the Pratipadikam such that the Subantaha, so formatted, gets freedom from syntax. Every Subantaha has 3 characteristic features: Lingam, gender, Vibhakti, case, Vachanam, number. We should also understand that Jati, type of word. The Pratipadikam is what Jati, type of word, the Pratipadikam is. Whether a Nama, noun, Sarvanama, pronoun, or Visheshanam, an adjective. So the logical and ideal way to detail the Vyakaranam, grammar of a Subantaha is Subantaha Pratipadikam. Jati, whether a noun, nama, sarvanama, pronoun or visheshanam, an adjective. Lingam, gender, whether pullingam, masculine, napusakalingam, neuter, strilingam, feminine. Vibhakti, case, whether prathama, dvitiya, etc. Saptami, sambodhanam. Vachanam, number, whether ekvachanam, singular, dvivachanam, dual, bahuvachanam, plural. Specific examples are tabulated below. From the words which you already have studied, Subantaha, Ashvaha, Pratipadikam, Ashva, Jatihi, Nama, Lingam, Pullingam, Vibhakti, Prathama, Vachanam, Ekvachanam, Vegena, Pratipadikam, Vega, Jatihi, Nama, Lingam, Pullingam, Vibhakti, Trutiya, Vachanam, Ekvachanam. क्रोधा प्रातिपदिकम क्रोध जाति नाम लिंगम पुल्लिंगम विभक्ति पंचमी वचनम एकवचनम जातस्य प्रातिपदिकम जात जाति विशेषणम लिंगम पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम वा विभक्ति षष्ठी वचनम एकवचनम जन्म प्रातिपदिकम जन्मन जाति नाम लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम विभक्ति प्रथमा और द्वितीया वचनम एक वचनम. So whether when I say prathama or dvitiya, the vibhakti has to be decided by the context. What role the subanta is having in the sentence. The arithmetic inherent is that every pratipadikam would have 24 subanta by 8 vibhaktaya cases and 3 vachanani numbers. The formatting of subanta is different as per the lingam, gender also, because a sarvanama, pronoun or visheshanam, an adjective, can have all the 3 lingani. Such pratipadikani have 72 subanta. There again, sambodhana vibhakti is not relevant for sarvanama, pronoun. So, sarvanamika pratipadikani, pronominal root words, have 63 subanta. A typical set of subanta for the pronouns of the third person, he, she, it, they, is as in the 3 tables below. The common pratipadikam is tat. So, table 2, subantaha of sarvanama tat pullingam, masculine. So, now the way of reading the table is vibhakti ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. So, prathama saha tau te, dvitiya tam tau tan, tritiya ten tabhyam taihi, चतुर्थी तस्मै ताभ्याम तेभ्यः, पंचमी तस्मात् ताभ्याम तेभ्यः, षष्ठी तस्य तयोः तेषां, सप्तमी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु. When you get used to the order prathama, dvitiya, tritiya, etc., then mentally you need not say prathama, dvitiya every time. You say saha tau te, tam tau tan, ten tabhyam taihi, तस्मै ताभ्याम तेभ्यः, तस्मात् ताभ्याम तेभ्यः, तस्य तयोः तेषां, तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु. Becomes rhythmic. Interesting. So like that now. Subantaha of sarvanama tat napusakalingam, neuter. So I will read only the subantaha. Tat te tani, tena tabhyam taihi, तस्मै ताभ्याम तेभ्यः, तस्मात् ताभ्याम तेभ्यः, तस्य तयोः तेषां, तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु. Now subantaha of sarvanama tat strilingam, feminine. Again I will read only the subantaha. सा ते ताः तां ते ताः तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः तयोः तासां तस्यां तयोः तासु. The pronouns he, she, it are obviously different as per the gender. But the pronouns I, we, you are the same for all genders. The same logic is valid in Sanskrit grammar also. The Pratipadikam for I, we is asmat. Its subantaha are as below. Aham avam vayam mam ma avam nau asmannah maya avabhyam asmabhi मह्यम मे आवाभ्याम नौ अस्मभ्यम नः मत आवाभ्याम अस्मत् मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः मयि आवयोः अस्मासु. The Pratipadikam for you is Yushmat. Its Subantaha are as below. Subantaha Sarvanama Yushmat. Tvam yuvam yuyam tvam tva yuvam vam yushman vaha tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhi तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वाम युष्मभ्यं वः त्वत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत् तव ते युवयोः वाम युष्माकं वः त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु. Note, for both Asmad and Yushmat, in Dvitiya, Chaturthi and Shashti, there are optional Subantaha, like Tvam, Tva, Yuvam, Vam, Yushman, Vaha. Also, Tubhyam Te, Yuvabhyam, Vam, Yushmabhyam, Vaha. Also, Tavate yuvayoho vam yushmakam vaha. They are optional subanta. The subantaha of both asmad and yushmat are so very rhythmic and can be recited almost as Veda mantraha. Shubhamastu.